a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. Our driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding and power extending side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is our trailer mode dial. By turning this dial to the right, we have drive modes appear on the dash, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps with an electric park brake down below. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, and AT4 embroidery in both headrests. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons along with the heated steering wheel button, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are some interior light buttons and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, it has Wi-Fi capabilities, a trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below, shortcut buttons in the bottom left, dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front seats, the exhaust brake, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller along with some USB ports and a power plug-in, no slip matting, dual cup holders. And last, we'll take a look inside the center console where you'll find some LED lighting, additional USB ports, and plenty of storage space. Starting at the front of the AT4, we have red tow hooks, rectangular fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter DuraMax turbo diesel engine under the hood, roof marker lamps up top. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start, and remote start. The box side step as we make our way toward the very back, the CornerStep bumper, and our easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop that tailgate down with ease. This truck also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro Tailgate Step with tailgate step lights. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, some rear fans, USB ports, and a plug-in, removable carpeted inserts on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 HD, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.